God never wanted me to, shame anybody. Okay. For whatever they have done in their personal life or anyhow. Okay. Like this avoidant was with me, and he did not complete his education. Okay. And I don't know, it kind of happens, you know. I mean, I feel like, they share something with you, and even you share something with them, and they try to use it against you, and you also then, use the same weapon to cut them. But then this is what happens, the toxic people, they the toxic people actually make you, do the same thing as to what they are doing. Okay. They are behaving toxic, and then you also try to behave in the same way to show them mirror. But you were never supposed to be mirror to them. You were supposed to be, you being yourself. All right. So, I mean, you try to mirror them. Sometimes I feel like, I'm feeling this right now. It's registering in my mind that, even mirroring is not a, healthy behavior. It's somewhere, mirroring can happen, but it shouldn't be, conscious. Okay, like if they do you wrong, you also do wrong to them. That shouldn't be the case. You shouldn't be, you shouldn't mirror. Instead, you should look within yourself and see as to what is the right thing to do, and you go about it.